Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm talking a little quietly because it's about 2 a.m. here in Sydney and I just got home from the Fenty Beauty 1-year anniversary event, which was hosted by Rihanna. It was super incredible, big night, and that's why I'm talking a little quietly because it's so late and I'm trying not to wake everyone up. But I really wanted to film this video for you guys because I just got my hands on the brand spanking new Fenty Beauty Killawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Palette, which I believe goes on sale in Australia today at Sephora. So go check it out. I actually forgot to mention that I'm also doing a giveaway with a few of my favorite Fenty Beauty products. I've been meaning to do this for a little while, so what a perfect opportunity. Just check the description box for all the details. So if you want to have a look at this beautiful new palette, then please keep on watching. First of all, this packaging is something else. I absolutely love it. This palette contains 7 of Fenty's super famous highlight formula. You can use these on your cheeks, on your eyes, or anywhere you want to glow according to the palette. These formulas are super intensely pigmented. They're beautiful. They actually call them a hypermetallic finish, and I would completely agree with that statement. So these tones are super fun and really playful, and they'd be perfect for like a festival look or a really bold, colourful eye makeup, or if you just want to have some fun with some colour. All of them except for, I would say, Heartburn are quite glittery. Heartburn has more of a sheen. So not only do they have a little bit of glitter, but when these highlights catch the light, they have this beautiful, expensive, wet look to them. So I've kind of challenged myself to get all of these shades onto my face at once, which is how I've come up with this look. This isn't how I normally wear my makeup, but I just thought this would be a nice way to show you guys all the shades in the palette and how you can use them. I'm really obsessed with this peach shade here called Honey Slope, so I'm going to pop that onto my eyelids. Pop that in my crease. Ooh. I'm not entirely sure, but I have a feeling this shade here is what Rihanna was wearing on her cheeks tonight, and it just looked incredible on her. I could not stop staring at her cheek highlight. So when you swatch these, they come out super intense, whereas when I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush to apply them, they are kind of a little less pigmented, so I'm kind of layering the product as I go. I'm now going to take this shade Coppin Ice and I'm going to apply that with my fingers so you can really see the difference. Okay, I think you can see what I mean by intense now. I'm now going to take the shade Sub-Zero and apply that to my inner corners. Now I'm going to take Stone Cold and I'll apply that under my brow bone. How did I manage to get that literally all through my eyebrow? Anyway, you can see the colour, so moving on. I'm going to take Chills and I'm going to take that underneath my eye. I'm going to do a super random highlight with the shade Scandalize. I'm actually really interested to see how this works on this fluffy highlighting brush. Oh, no issues there. And I'm going to take the shade Heartburn just so I don't miss out on one tone, and I'm going to run that through my crease a little bit just to really deepen up that eye. So overall, I absolutely love this palette. I think it's so beautiful and I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I'm sorry if it's a little all over the place. It feels a little all over the place, but then it's also like 2:30 in the morning here, so my brain is a little fried, but I'm still really excited from the event, so I just really wanted to show you guys this palette. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon in another one. Bye.